Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's the weekend. While y'all still sleep, I'm out cleaning. I love being an entrepreneur. It makes me rely on God a lot more. But yeah, I wouldn't have it any other way. I love it. So let's go.
So I spoke too soon. You see this? This is traffic. Now I have to walk to my client. So this client was so amazing. Their house was so beautiful. Well, their loft. Let me get it correct. Now, tomorrow's church.
We will worship the King. For He alone is worthy. He alone is righteous. And He alone is holy. Come on, declare with us. Yeah, we worship, adore you. We declare, nobody like you, nobody like you. We worship, you are Elohim, adore you. You're Jehovah. We declare, nobody like you. You are He who was. We worship, adore you.
COVID. My dad is Italian like me.
Okay.
We're Kim you.
So I don't want to hear no excuses from anyone. I haven't been driving since about May. And I catch the bus, Mark, Uber, whatever I need to get to a client.
What's up today, you guys? So, vlog of the day. It is now 1 p.m. I've been out since 7 cleaning. Guess what? If you're familiar with the Baltimore, Maryland area, I had a client in Catonsville. Then I had another client at 5:30 in Owens Mills. This morning I texted her saying, hey, you think it'd be cool if I could come to you early since I'm already out in your area? She said, sure. Now, I do cleaning, but I also am a little handyman, you know? So this afternoon's cleaning, I was putting something together for someone. I left my tools home, y'all. So now I'm walking back in the house so I can get my tools, get everything I need. I'm gonna eat, and then I gotta go all the way back out to Owens Mills. And I don't drive, so this is another 2-hour drive, bus ride. You ready?
Like me and Moguls. Both state Moguls died. One guy died, second I paid Mogul.
Alrighty, you guys. So, yep, this is episode 2, Journey to Full-Time Entrepreneurship. As I mentioned in the first episode, I have my own cleaning business. I've had it for about 3 years now. And now I'm starting to branch out and do other things. So, as you can see, I'm a little handyman, putting stuff together. I'm just so upset I left those supplies at the house. I had to turn around and go all the way back and get it. But it was so worth it. I love to see the look on people's faces. I love when they refer me and they shout me out. This is Wednesday's recording. I really didn't do anything Monday through Wednesday but work. And so now I'm treating myself to cheese pizza. Yum, yum, yum.
Let's blow some minds. Alright, so check this out. An employee makes $100 a day versus a business that makes $100 a day. Employees have to pay taxes before they get their money. Businesses get to spend their money right away. They're left with this much. Now the business has to pay taxes on what's left over.
Good morning. It's Thursday, and I'm volunteering today. I love this. I love animals. And every Thursday and Friday, this is what I do. So join.
You want to make a video of this?
I am. I can't do it no more. I used to be able to do the everything with these little tech decks. These not that anymore.
It'll be this.
Tighten up. Tighten up.
From the back.
Oh yeah, that's so cool.
That's a rare Nemo fish.
Just so that they got the lights on it and stuff.
What are these?
Two nuts is walking down the. I can't read it. That shit was funny, bro.
So obviously this one's not gonna be that wide, but you know you can use that one since the other two are matching up. You know what I'm saying? Still gotta cut a little bit off.
Alrighty, you guys. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. This sums up the last 2 weeks of keeping up with Ken. I love being an entrepreneur because it allows me to have the freedom to hang out with my family and to be with my son. Because in the end, he is my why.